Welcome to an extraordinary journey through time and imagination. Have you ever wondered how the worlds we experience through virtual reality, VR headsets, came to be? Today we're diving into a tale that's more than just technology. It's a story of human curiosity, innovation, and dreams. From the curious inventions of the 19th century to the cutting-edge technologies of today, join us as we unravel the fascinating evolution of virtual reality. Prepare to be amazed by the groundbreaking moments that have shaped our virtual experiences. Are you ready to discover the untold story of virtual reality? Let's embark on this captivating adventure together. Remember, every like you give us fuels our passion to bring you more incredible stories like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and join our community so you don't miss out on the exciting adventures that lie ahead in the world of technology. Your support inspires us to explore further and dive deeper into the wonders of innovation. Section 1. Early Steps and the Stereoscope, 1838. Our journey begins in 1838 with Sir Charles Wheatstone's invention of the stereoscope, a device that added depth to two-dimensional images, creating 3D visual illusions. This invention marked the first steps in the history of VR. Section 2. Aviation and Simulation, 1929. In 1929, Edwin Albert Link developed a flight simulator known as the Blue Box, revolutionizing the aviation sector. It allowed pilots to train safely without actual flight experience. Section 3. From Sci-Fi to Reality, 1935. In 1935, Stanley G. Weinbaum's story, Pygmalion Spectacles, conceptualized the first VR glasses. This story envisioned a complete virtual world experience through glasses, inspiring future VR concepts. Section 4. The first VR masks, 1960. In 1960, Morton Heilig invented the telesphere mask, an early version of a head-mounted stereoscopic television. It represented a significant step in the development of VR. Section 5. Sensorama and Immersive Experience, 1962. In 1962, Morton Heilig's Sensorama offered a full sensory experience with stereo sound, 3D images, sense, and vibrations. This machine proved that VR wasn't just visual, but a multi-sensory experience. Section 6. The Birth of the Ultimate Display, 1965. In 1965, Ivan E. Sutherland designed the Ultimate Display, merging the physical and digital worlds. This concept was a turning point in virtual reality. Section 7. Military Simulations, 1966 and 1980s. In 1966, Thomas Furness developed an advanced flight simulator for military training. In the 1980s, this technology evolved further with the Super Cockpit program, providing more realistic experiences for pilots. Section 8. VR's First Steps in Entertainment, 1980s and 1990s. In the 1980s and 1990s, VR made its mark in the entertainment sector. Companies like Virtuality Group and Nintendo introduced VR gaming machines and consoles, making VR accessible to a wider audience. Section 9. VR in the early 2000s and technological advancements. In the early 2000s, significant leaps in VR technology weren't seen, but foundational steps were taken. For instance, Google Street View offered panoramic views from around the world, adding a new dimension to the VR experience. Section 10. The Modern Era of VR, 2010-present. Since 2010, VR has evolved rapidly. Devices like Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and Sony's Project Morpheus have offered wider fields of view and advanced tracking technologies. Innovative products like Google Cardboard have made VR accessible to everyone. In recent years, standalone devices like Oculus Quest and high-performance headsets like Valve Index have advanced the VR experience further. Section 11. The Future in Sight. VR technology continues to revolutionize various fields, from education to healthcare, entertainment to industrial design. The increased interest during the pandemic points to a bright future for VR. According to Grandview Research, the VR market is expected to reach $62.1 billion by 2027. As we reach the end of this enthralling journey through the history of virtual reality, it's clear that we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what's possible. From the primitive stereoscope to the sophisticated headsets of today, VR has consistently pushed the boundaries of our imagination and technology. This journey is not just about gadgets and software, it's about human ambition, the thirst for knowledge, and the endless pursuit of experiences beyond our physical reality. In the world of VR, the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. As we stand on the brink of new virtual frontiers, one can only wonder, what's next? Thank you for being a part of this journey. Together, let's continue to explore the uncharted territories of virtual reality and beyond. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content. The future is virtual, and it's ours to shape and experience. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.